Here's a new 2019 Cadillac CTS sedan. Exceptional elegance and masterfully crafted, this CTS amplifies your driving experience. It comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, first and second row power sliding and tilting sunroof, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sport suspension, external memory control, heated steering wheel, gas pressurized shocks, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 1-866-470-0171.
For value